Morning everyone, I'm down at Seaford, Kangaroo Creek. I'm going to do a little walk down here. It's a rough part of town, so I hope I don't get mugged. Just wanted to get away from all the streets and shopping centres and everything and just have a bit of a relaxing walk. And wow, this is nice, I'm enjoying this. First time I've seen seagulls swimming. I've never seen that before, and there's freaking heaps of them. Have a look. Can't believe the contrast in weather from yesterday to today. Absolutely beautiful, 18 degrees, fantastic day. A little jetty up here. Is this magnificent? I didn't expect this at all. There's not many fish in there. I can't see any fish in there. Oh, we'll just keep walking along and see what it's like. Unfortunately, I can't go much further. Looks like I might have to head up the other way. I might ask these two old codgers up here. I'm disappointed if there's no actually walking trail along here, because wow, what a great spot to have a leisurely walk, you know. It's magnificent. There's no real walk path right next to the creek, but there seems to be a bike path up here, and you know, it runs parallel to the creek, but it's not very close, so it doesn't give you that tranquil ambience that you would be looking for. Yeah, but anyway, I'll give it a bit of a walk down here and see what it's like. Hopefully it gets better. There's real heavy vegetation down here, and there's no hope of actually getting down towards the creek. I'm having a scout out to see if there's any way down, but it doesn't appear to be. Yeah, no, unfortunately there doesn't seem to be any access, or maybe there's some other access somewhere along the line. Maybe if someone knows, they can let me know. Yeah, other than that initial stage, there's no more walking area. But there is one consolation, the weather is absolutely magnificent. I can't believe it, you know, last night it was pouring rain, and today, beautiful. Oh look, Thai massage, that looks good. I don't need it. It's a nice massage though. Painting on the Seaford Community Centre, looks good.
Oh, that's Melanie. I know, I think
I hope you enjoyed that small walk, and if you did, please subscribe. Till next time, bye.